Welcome to Pandora Kiddos. I've got a tip here on how you can improve your costume a little bit to improve your convention going experience a lot. In my Axton costume, I don't have a lot of accessible pockets, so I use this pouch on my belt for most of my storage. And what I have right now is just one big box in here that I need to store tokens to hand out, business cards to hand out, and business cards that I receive from photographers. Also, I'll carry like my driver's license and a debit card or something if I want to purchase anything. So all that's going to get very cluttered very quick. So I'll be ditching my old box for a new box that I am assembling right now. It should give me more room because it's made out of a thinner foam, and I'm going to try to fudge the dimensions a little bit to make it a bit bigger and hopefully still fit in the pouch. And I'm using a new construction material called Cos Bond, which is an adhesive that peels kind of like a double-sided tape, but without the cellophane in the middle. And what you do with it is peel back one side, exposing the adhesive, and then just lay that down, peel off the other side, and now you've got this strip of adhesive on here. So that, oh, don't stick yet. So that is going to stick to the next thing that it touches. Voila. So in a lot of ways, this is easier to use than contact cement. But if I was laminating large areas of foam, I definitely still go with contact cement just because that is easier to spread on and it's a heck of a lot cheaper. But for precision applications, it's pretty hard to beat the Cos Bond. This wall is a little bit proud. Yes, imprecision. There we go. Perfect. I'm just using this yellow foam that I had left over from something, probably. Maybe we should make sure it still fits. Oh boy. Okay. It'll fit, it's just not going to be easy to get back out if I ever need to, so let's put the dividers in. To hold these sides, I think I'm just going to use a weld of super glue. Now, I can fit tokens in there, business cards in here, and it stays nicely organized. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot better.